Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S80. In this video I'll tell you things you should know before buying Volvo S80. Always ask for complete service records, especially timing belt and automatic transmission services. Check that the parking sensors, heated seat, electric mirrors and infotainment systems are all functioning. Use Vida diagnostic tool to scan for hidden faults. Many issues won't show on the standard display. Inspect the rear subframe and wheel arches for rust, especially in older models exposed to salt. Test drive at various speeds. Listen for suspension noises and check gearbox smoothness. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.